Do is a general word for actions. For example, what are you doing this evening? Not, what are you making? I did a lot of things yesterday. Shall I open the window? No, it's okay. I'll do it. Make. Produce or create. For example, she's making coffee. He has made a cake. This shirt was made in France. Compare do and make. I did a lot of things yesterday. I cleaned my room, I wrote some letters, and I made a cake. A. What do you do in your free time? Sport? Reading? Hobbies? B. I make clothes. I make dresses and jackets. I also make toys for children. Expressions with do. I'm doing my driving test next week. John has just done a training course. And, could you do me a favor? Expressions with make. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Excuse me, I have to make a phone call. It's late. We mustn't make a noise. Exercises. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.